Josh. Udah gak tekan kiri teh? Dekat jalan teh?
Oke.
Oh, dah kan. Malah kan,
And Mongala Fest of Cultural Extravaganza, celebrated with a kaleidoscope of colors
Bahasa gimana nih?
to the same highway.
Jangan clear video
Festival of Walkies
Ah,
is the
clear
boat race of the Luna Sarale, a major highlight of the Lima Haribo Festival. The colorful Chapchapu, a festival of dance and song, from the land of Blue Mountains, Mizora, and Yushu, the blessed carnival of Satan. Satan Meghalaya is now proud to host the grandest sports festival of the Northeast Olympic Games 2022.
Wow. Ada.
Celebrating and connecting over 2,000 sports personalities from the 8 exotic northeastern states of India. These widely acclaimed sports enthusiasts will be competing in 18 different sports disciplines during this spectacular sports extravaganza. Contestants from the land of the Dominant Mountains, Arunachal Pradesh. From the awesome state of Assam, the Manipur state, popularly known to be the powerhouse of sports and the jewel of incredible India. From the breathtaking land of peace, Mizora. From the land of blessings, Nagaland.
Press one last.
From the small and beautiful state of where culture meets nature, the state of Tripura. And of course, last but not the least, sports persons from the beautiful and picturesque Meghalaya, proudly hosting this Rugby Family Day. And introducing you, the
View.
colorful attire and artistic depiction of Meghalaya's vibrant tribe. While celebrating the 50 years of safety, the state of Meghalaya, and our beloved mascot, Milo, extend a warm welcome to one and all for the second edition of the Northeast Olympic Games 2022.
Alla vet du. I Chinese är det.
Ruko.
Ada balik live Instagram ni.
Long net dalam ala.
Try no.
Tangan nak urut sah.